No, yeah. Say Ireland.
Yes. When England were playing France.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or like 3 hours slot, whatever it was, because it was really good.
It's like pressure and like get out, yeah. But no, he's doing good. Because you had like, that's the best way to have like.
She was going to flight over and see. texted Rich Stroud yesterday, and I was like, what's going on here? Yeah, I'm so glad they got beat.
Same.
Fresh beer on draft.
That's where we need to go.
That's where we're going.
Ah, that was quick. I saw a clip of Brady from like a combine, or not a combine, but it's like a pro, whatever. Reminds me of the one from Leeds.
Yeah, no fun.
Smells good in here as well. Doing all the work for them.
Just do loads of jobs, yeah, it's crazy.
I don't even know it. It's this little crack alley. Okay, will you leading us in?
I can't know.
Will you leading us, lad? Oh, it's booming here.
need to go up, and that's why.
They got Guinness inside.
Oh, it is nice that way, isn't it?
Let's go now, you go, eh?
We're going in.
It's the busiest place you can live.
It's like all the uni songs. It's absolutely class. But they've been playing there with the Heart song on there. And it's what the fuck is it? It's like one of the last ones that they released before Popper's Box. And it might be like one of the Transform songs as well, but it's class.
I couldn't tell you. I just remember.
Let's go to fun for it.
They've already done like a little bit.
Yeah, they really developed
like
it.
5-10 years, but
Where's it going
It's not been used where it was originally intended.
I did like to spell that everyone.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
the way it was originally intended, not Crackadilly Gardens.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just straight up there.
yeah, so like when I got to tap, I was like, oh, I can't see anymore. You guys are going to tap this. Yeah. And then look at me. It's happening. Yeah, maybe I did put that place in. Because it was saying it was like a 3-minute walk. And now it's saying this place is a 4-minute walk.